Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Airfix Kits is probably one of the most rewarding and creative hobbies you can pick up, offering a fantastic way to explore your interests in aviation, automotive, military, and many more fascinating fields. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about selecting the perfect Airfix model kit for your skill level and interests, from choosing the right scale and complexity to mastering essential techniques for a successful build. So whether you're a seasoned modeler or a curious beginner, get ready to dive into the exciting world of Airfix Kits. Number 5. Airfix Spitfire Mk Ia 1 hour 72 minutes. Welcome to the exciting world of model building. This kit lets you create your own iconic supermarine Spitfire. It's incredibly detailed for its size, capturing the grace and power of this legendary aircraft. You'll be amazed by the accuracy. With 36 pieces, it's perfect for beginners. It's a manageable project that still provides a satisfying build. This model is designed for easy assembly, making it ideal for first-time model builders. Even beginners can achieve great results. It features the markings of a Supermarine Spitfire Mk Ia and 3290 from 92 Squadron in 1940. Bring a piece of history to life. You'll need some humroll paints to complete it, including silver, yellow, earth, black, white, and gunmetal. These are listed on the box for easy reference. Remember, you'll need to purchase glue and paint separately to finish your model. It's a fun and rewarding project. What we like. This highly detailed model offers an accurate representation of a legendary aircraft. If you are looking for a challenging yet rewarding build, it's perfect for you. With its historically accurate markings, it's a must-have for aviation enthusiasts. What people say. This Airfix 172 Spitfire Mk I is really a fine kit of the most iconic aircraft of World War II. The model has recessed panel lines, a nicely detailed cockpit, choice of landing gear up or down, a pilot figure, great clear parts, and beautiful decals. The parts fit is very good. The fuselage will fit together better if you remove the locating pins and carefully glue the halves together a section at a time. It's a Spitfire Mk Ia made by the British. Of course it's made with care. Things mostly fixed together, lots of detail on the structures. Number 4. Airfix Quickbuild Raptor. Welcome to the exciting world of Airfix Quickbuild. It's quick, it's easy, and it's perfect for anyone who wants to build amazing models. This Lockheed Martin Raptor is just one of many legendary aircraft you can build. Collect them all and create your own impressive fleet. It's a push-fit model, meaning no glue or special tools are needed. You can assemble it in minutes. Each model comes with a display stand and cool stickers, so you can proudly show off your creation. The precision fit is incredible. You'll be amazed at how well it all comes together. It looks professionally built. It's compatible with other major building brands, so the possibilities are endless. Let your imagination soar. What we like. It's designed for quick and easy assembly, making it ideal for beginners or those short on time. If you want a satisfying build without the fuss, this is the one for you. Enjoy the fun of model building without the complexities. What people say. The wingspan measures exactly 10 inches, so this puts the scale right at 139. These kits are very well put together and the pieces fit perfectly, and being that they assemble similar to Lego, it was an easy fit for him. These are surprisingly accurate. I see many models of these aircraft and many of them take different parts from different variants and basically create an aircraft that never really existed. In fact, these are accurate enough that I was able to tell you the variant even though it's not listed. Number 3. Airfix Quickbuild P51D Mustang. Introducing the Airfix Quickbuild P51D Mustang. It's a fun and easy way to build your own legendary airplane model. This push-fit model kit is designed for quick assembly. You can build it in minutes, no glue required. It features a seamless fit, so it looks like a professionally built model. You won't believe it's push-fit. It's compatible with other major brick building brands. Expand your collection and creativity. This is a great introduction to the world of modeling. Collect and build a range of quick build models, airplanes, cars, and more. Own a piece of aviation history with the Airfix Quickbuild P51D Mustang. It's the perfect model for beginners and enthusiasts alike. What we like. This model offers the same ease of construction as the previous one, but with a different iconic aircraft. If you prefer a different classic plane, this is a great alternative. It's a perfect introduction to the world of modeling for all ages. What people say. The wingspan measures exactly 10 inches, so this puts the scale right at 139. These kits are very well put together and the pieces fit perfectly, and being that they assemble similar to Lego, it was an easy fit for him. These are surprisingly accurate. I see many models of these aircraft and many of them take different parts from different variants and basically create an aircraft that never really existed. In fact, these are accurate enough that I was able to tell you the variant even though it's not listed. Number 2. Airfix A01005 Mitsubishi 0. This is the Airfix A01005 Mitsubishi 0 model kit. It's perfect for beginners, with only 47 easy-to-assemble parts. This meticulously detailed kit is built to a 1-hour 72-minute scale, ensuring an accurate representation of the iconic aircraft. You'll be amazed by the level of detail. Designed for beginners, this kit is a great introduction to the world of model building. Even if you've never built a model before, you can easily put this one together. With only 47 parts, it's a quick and satisfying build. You'll be able to enjoy the process without feeling overwhelmed. Once assembled, you'll have a stunning replica of the Mitsubishi Zero. Display it proudly and relive a piece of aviation history. The model is designed to be painted in a classic navy blue finish. It will look just like the real thing. What we like. This model provides a great entry point into the world of model building. If you are a beginner and want to try a classic aircraft, this is a good choice. It's detailed enough to be satisfying, yet simple enough for first-timers. What people say. Un modello relativamente fácil de ensamblar me gustaron mucho los detalles del modelo. Un muy buen modelo fácil de ensamblar, no require mucho trabajo de detallado y tiene muy buen detalle, excellent. Kit is excellent. Parts fit well with nice surface detailing. Transfers are also sized correctly, though the yellow wing transfers were not used, so I'm unable to vouch for those. Number 1. Airfix Douglas A4BQ Skyhawk. This detailed model kit lets you build your own Skyhawk. It's perfect for those who want a quick and easy build. The smaller 1-hour 72-minute scale makes it a great choice for beginners. It's designed for a more straightforward assembly process. With only 75 parts, it's an ideal project for model enthusiasts of all skill levels. It's easy to follow and fun to build. Choose between two historically accurate paint schemes, the VA-15 Valians or the Argentine Air Force. Each one offers a unique look. Once finished, it measures 178 mm long and 116 mm wide. It's a great addition to any model collection. Remember, you'll need to purchase paints and glue separately to complete your model. Humbrol paint recommendations are on the box. What we like. This model offers a more complex build compared to others, perfect for those with some experience. If you enjoy a more challenging project, this one will keep you engaged. It's a great way to expand your skills and add a detailed piece to your collection. What people say. This kit has great detail in the molded parts but needs some assembly fitting. Also, there are many small parts to fit with minimal instructions. The final result is a great accurate, detailed A4 Skyhawk. Great subject matter. Nice easy to build kit. Good decals. Well written and illustrated instructions. Airfix has very good plastic molding, very little flashing if any. Details very good. Great instruction, but skill level should be higher, could be a challenge for first-timer modeler. Need to check out YouTube for insight for build. Model shipped super fast. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.